Okay, we are in the Cikoneng waterfall. The location at the Kampung Cikoneng, Desa Puraseda, Kecamatan Lewiliang. This is the name of Cikoneng, absolutely fine, so very beautiful. I hope that you can come to here to make that holiday in this place. This is Excellency Mr. Arifin and His Excellency Madam Cici with her son. They're going to holiday in here all together with my parents. I hope that you can come to here anytime and for all the tourists coming to here. This is very nice. So that's a beautiful place is coming to here. I hope all my friends can be promoted in all the country. And I would like to say thanks to His Excellency Mr. Joseph Santani as the President World Peace Committee to 102 countries, and also I would like to say to His Excellency Madam Astrid Santani, and also I would like to say thanks to General Affairs His Excellency Asep Saifullah, who already given connect to all the people and very famous all that World Peace Committee always live in living and everywhere and always authentic to the people in everywhere. And then I would like to say to all the friends, I hope you can promote this film and this place is the Cikoneng waterfall. This area lewiliang Bogor, West Java, Indonesia. Okay, thank you very much, and then see you next holiday. Bye.